Hello, I'm Brandon with Parkside Kia here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Thank you for joining me today. We're going over the GT2 all-wheel drive Stinger. And before I go, I gotta move out of the way for this person behind me. But before we go, I wanted to make sure that my heads-up display is adjusted appropriately, because I'm a kind of tall person, and you can tweak this to go up and down, curved or not. Some of my clients that have bought before said that they like it, but it's too much of a distraction in their lower peripheral. So what we can do is we can take the brightness down and angle it a little bit. That way when they're looking out, that it's just kind of down in the corner, almost not there. But if they needed to look at it, that they could, because it'll give you turn-by-turn instructions from your navigation, while also uploading like speed limits on current roads that you are, like going in between states. If the speed limit drops, like, it'll show you in your navigation as well as through your heads-up display. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this. Like, I kind of like mine really bright. And you've got 3 different colors you can choose from: white, green, and orange. I like green for go, but I would say probably green or orange are one of the colors that, if it bothered you, would show up the least.